Welcome to Books Giant AI. Let me show you how you can upload your own images for your books. Let's get started. Go to the book editor. Click on the Images menu and choose Upload Your Images button. Now we're presented with two options: Upload to Items, Upload to Backgrounds. Upload to Backgrounds, the image will be saved as a background only. Upload to Items, the image will be saved as an item that you can see, move, and scale. We will choose Upload to Items. Now we will wait for a message that our image was uploaded. Awesome! Now that we chose our image, let's close this tab and go back to editing. Great! Now you can upload any pictures you'd like from your own library. You can leave the image as is, or you can remove the background by clicking this button right here. Cool! Now let's choose a background and be creative with it. Beautiful! Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to create a lot of books. Good luck!